Yeah.
Third time.
What's up? Okay, so today's video I'm showing you how I get my sleek look. I may have another look in here. Who's to say? Can't tell you. Better just keep watching to see if there's another look inside. Yeah, we seeing what this hair can do, how it moves, what it's made of. My friend's waiting outside. I like when things come in a matte box. Looks a little expensive. Let's see what it's giving. A little taped up. She's giving class. She's giving experience. Ooh, I got some more pins. Thank you. Love them. Def gonna use them. Got some wig caps, a band. Thank you. I put a band in all my units. I got 20-inch water wave. It's tighter than a body wave, but it's looser than a deep curly. Thinking of dyeing this one cranberry. What y'all think? What you mean, what y'all think? You're about to find out before I know. Very soft, off rip, very soft. You know when I can't stop touching shit, what it mean? Let me try it on real quick. Okay, I'm interested. I'm listening. She's not heavy, but she's still full. She's sexy. The more like you open her, it's like messy but uniformed. I like that. I like this. Very pretty. This is a water wave. See how far this front will go. It's giving. It's a good amount of space, but this looked like it was strap flat iron just fine. See how this one was like a little tighter, almost deep curly. This one's like a little bit looser. Yeah, because even when I spread this apart, it doesn't get as big as this one gets. Let's see. I'm representing for the hustlers all across the world. Still living in my Lolos, girl.
To all the good girls that love hustlers, to the mothers that put up with us.
My mood is changing this summer. I'ma be tweaking.
West, y'all. West, y'all. West, y'all. West, y'all. West, y'all.
Did y'all see how the lace just got in line? I didn't even get to give her assigned seats yet, and she already know where to go. Love that student. Great student. My favorite kind. Resume.
West, y'all. West, y'all. West, y'all. West, y'all. West, y'all.
I had just filmed one of them little dome rush challenges for my job. Oh my god, it took so much, and I did it with my auntie. I know she crazy. Should I do some baby hairs? I'm really thoroughly enjoying the lace on this wig. I could do some touch-ups because it looks like everywhere didn't get some love, as you see, because I was just mad pressed. So let's just do that now.
West, y'all. West, y'all. West, y'all. West, y'all. West, y'all.
Got a model, what feel alive, you is alive, you is not come from this side, you cannot come to this side.
Okay, so I was trying to decide whether I was going to do middle part or side part, but it looks like middle part is, side part is when either I just did a side. I want to see if I could do both. Gel will allow me to, but then I'll just be stressing this poor hair out. See, look at that. Look at that, look at that, look at that. This hair is so nice. I'm fiending to get outside. This is a fine tooth comb and it's going through the hair. So if I did middle, I would be sucking this down. A couple of votes have voted for side part. We'll revisit the middle part another day. You know, left side is my favorite side. So I'm gonna go like so. Thank God for a 13x6, so I have some room to play with. I think that's like enough, and then I'm just gonna make it straight. You also choose how deep you want the part here. Like this. Let me get the hot comb. Let me get some Okay, I'm gonna spray this down, have some gel on deck, a brush that has some hard bristles. Oh, and I'm gonna use some like curly cream. You can use like whichever one like be floating your boat.
West, y'all. West, y'all. West, y'all. West, y'all. West, y'all.
Oh my god, I should have did a side ponytail. Ain't too late. Seeing how Cardi looked that one day when she got the All-Star game. Oh yeah, I'm doing side. I'm doing side. I'm sitting sideways. Period. Oh, this is cute. I've been on some real Christina Milian tone lately. Everything I'm doing feel like 03. Yeah, how we feeling it? Looks really good, no? I like how this still looks like it's wet. The hair, 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. And I didn't even get a chance to flatten it, and I know she's just still so soft. Like, you know the test. If I'm still touching, she come a little past the boob. Let's go through the stats of the hair so we can just be clear. Obviously, everything about the hair gonna be in the description box, but let me just tell you so you hear from me what time this hair was on. The lace didn't even have to dye it. I didn't have to tint it, nothing. Straight as is out the box. Looks great, looks amazing. Feeling myself. Feeling my. Loving it. Recommend this if you're someone that likes easygoing hair, because y'all seen how it looked when it looked messy. You can definitely give like loose, sloppy bun, all of that jazz. And because it's a wig, you don't have to worry about making your own wig. And it has the adjustable straps. If anything, I would say sew in like the elastic band to it. What is this? Like I did to make it look like satin. But other than that, you're ready to go. On my list, I'm adding this to the top 5 that are flawless. When the quality looks good, I don't have to tint the lace, so I can be a newbie about it. Throw a pan in there, foams is that's all you need. Right now in quarantine, you want to order hair if you want to look good, if you want to look anything decent further past your own decent, if you want to elevate your look and you want to cop the wig and you want some bundle, I would get this. You can get this red hair dye at CVS because you know the grannies love the red dye. You know you can't take red hair dye away from the Spanish mommies, okay? So you're ready to go. Thank you so much for watching, and add this to your list. Again. So it took everything out of me not to do the middle part. I think I still may do it after I get a little tipsy.
All of my work is selling. Thank you and please come again. All of this one of a kind, but if I order it, get it again.
West, y'all. West, y'all. West, y'all. West, y'all. West, y'all.
time anything gets on my fingernails after I do my hair or makeup, I use just some alcohol, paper towel. So I'm about to do my makeup to make it real for y'all, to make it real for myself, to make sure I'm not going crazy any further. So if you're that kind of girl, you can very well keep the curls tightened. If you know me well, you know I'm not that girl, so she's going to get brushed out. Okay, we're gonna figure her out using the fine tooth comb instead, because the hair is that soft. Just flatten the top out, you feel me? And you ready to go. I'm gonna just finger flow. Ooh. Ooh. What is that sound? Hello? Am I not Farrah Fawcett's cousin? Don't lie to me. Don't lie to yourself. Okay. Put her down because she is giving true Easter Sunday with that bump up there. Come on down, bitch. Somebody call Donna Summer and tell her I'm ready to take over for whatever she needs. No bullshit. Hey, the girl is not playing with you. When have I ever? Bitch. I played with myself before I played with y'all. Okay, y'all, this is the final look. Obviously, the hair will still stretch out. Loving the hair. Thank you, Nabeauty, for having hair good enough to inspire me to want to curl it. Because normally, you know, when you get your hair done, you just be like, eh, I'm good. Are you dumb? I'm dying to know if you dumb. Dying to know. You're done. Oh my God, the flip over. What was it? Oh. Call Ariel. Tell her I'm coming. Call Ariel. Tell her to come back on shore. Matter of fact, tell her I'll meet her down in the ocean. Don't worry, period. It was nothing. Never nothing. Actually, call Uma Thurman. Tell her I'm coming to Gotham. Her services are no longer needed. She's done. She's done. She's good. She's good. I got it from here. I've got it from here. Thank you. Your services are no longer needed. Word to Shawnee. These glasses are for a different look, but you'll deal. Okay, y'all, I'm done. You get the point. Thanks, Nabeauty, for teaching me where I had a bad bitch inside. Bye, y'all.
Bless you,